Good morning, students. Today I am going to show how to write online PISA CCT 6 exam. Okay, first you open Google Chrome. So afterwards you click on the plus symbol and this is search button is there. You type, it is already in my web, it is there auto display, but you have to remember the website spelling pisa.seshagun.gov.in. Then you click on the slash cct. So after this you click on the go button. So, this is the website, it will display. This is the home page and then login and password will be there. So you click on the username. So this username and password will be provided by the your concerned class teacher. You can ask them your class teacher, or else they will send you by using the WhatsApp. You have to note down. So this is my dummy username and password for showing you the I created the dummy username and password to show you the how to write the CCT PISA CCT 6 online exam. So if you observe here 28211890472. So this is the common to all, or else we call it as a this is our school dice code. So this is my username. So this is common to all and 379. Three 7 9. So this is my username. Once again I will make you clear that 28211890472. This is our school dice code. So this common for all the students, those who are writing online exam from classes 7 to 12, and 379 is your roll number, or else we call it as a serial number. Okay, so after typing username, password will be the same. What is the username and password will be the same. After login username and password, first it will display to change your password. So you can give your own password. So remember the password, the first letter or whatever it may be, the first letter should be capital letter, small and remaining small letters, and one number will be there and one special character will be there. So you can put your own password, or else I'm giving one default password for every student. Thus also you can type. For example, here I will show what password you have to type. So in this message box I will show you for example. So example, so capital K, small v K, 2020 at the rate. So this is the password default you can put, or else you can put your password. If you are putting your own password, so better to write in notebook. If you forgot means it is a problem for you. So better you put your own pass, or this one capital K, small k 2020 at the rate. So KV Kendriya Vidyalaya Kurnool, year 2020 at the rate. So this only you put. Okay. So password also same, that is only I am giving here. So Here I'm giving here password. Okay, after giving username and password, you click on the login button. So wait, it will display. The website will be somewhat slow. You have to be patient. Sit very patiently. So this is the username and password. See here, it is still okay. Notice down. Okay, coming to the menu bar. First, if you observe here, here it will display your name. Here I am giving because it is my son name. So I am given here dummy name. It is the student name, and this is the user name. So once again I will clarify that 28211890470 it is a common for all the students. 379 is your number, serial number or roll number. So after that, checking if everything is right, okay means you come. These are the menu bar. If you want to write training video, same. If you want to click on the training video, you can watch how to write exam, that also. And don't touch this one, profile or home button. So these two options are very important for you: CCT test and question paper. Okay, so first you click on the question paper. So the question paper will be in the PDF format. Make sure that uh, in your mobile PDF app will be there. Any Acrobat or Adobe or Google PDF. If you are not have any PDF file, better to install app by using the Play Store Google PDF. Okay, you can find many apps if you type PDF. Okay, so here it will show the two mediums. One is the English medium, another is the Hindi medium. Okay, so most of the our school or students are English medium only. So I'm selecting here English medium. You also select English medium. So CCT6, click here. So it will display the, click on the download. So it will download. Wait to download PDF. So portable document format. So this is the your question paper. So it will contain the 18 pages. Make sure that here, if you observe here, 418. Okay, I mean fourth page out of 18 questions. So total 30 questions will be there. You go on. So if you observe here, last question is the 30. Okay, so before writing this, please you kept your notebook or white paper, take pen, and you write down the heading Kendriya Vidyalaya Kurnool, PISA CCT 6, and write down head columns as serial number and answers. So serial number 1 to 30 you write down and draw the line, and answers you write down this one. For examples, here I will tell, this is in first question in unit 1 is there. In unit 1, read the paragraph, and from here you the question number 1 will start. You read the paragraph and you go to these pictures. You observe they will ask the some questions. For example, if the first question is B or C, you write 1 C. Similarly, read the second question. If the second question answer is B or C or D, you write down 2 C. Similarly, go to the third question. You write down third question, fourth question, fifth, sixth. Like that, all you write question and answers up to 30. Okay. So after, for example, last question I will show you. So 30th question is, for example, C. You put 30 as C. So this is only dummy, I am telling you. Don't think that 30 answer is the C. So simple and okay. After writing the exam in offline, and you have to go to put the answers in online. So you go back to the main menu of the CCT portal. Now you click on the CCT test. Okay, so kept your paper or notebook before you, in front of you, and if you observe here menu bar, it is in red color. Please select the following details. It will display your name and your class. These are all dummy. Make sure that your class is correct or not, your name correct or not, and these names are we are taking from UBI portal, and you select the academic as 2020-21. Wait, it will display the CCT paper, and you select the CCT 6. Okay, here I am selecting CCT 6. Here already I attempt the question answers. I will show you. So website is very slow, so be wait for it will display. Okay, now it is displaying. Okay, so you don't go, just you I will make zoom. So these are already I attempt on one. So question number 1, it is there, complete the dialogue. For example, first question is A or B, A or B or C or D. These are the only dummy I am given. So first question, for example, for B is right answer, you give the B. So if you observe here, they are given instructions that enter A, B, C, D for answers or N for no options. So if you don't know which one is right or wrong, better you give. If you are not attempting any question, just you type N. N for no option. A, B, C, D. We have to give only A, B, C, D or N. These 5 only we have to characters only you have to enter. Don't enter other than E, F, G, H like that. Okay. So A or B, C or D for correct answer, or N for no options. Okay. After typing all questions up to 30, down you will find the submit button, because I already submitted, because that's why it is not showing submitted button. You click on the submit button. Okay, if you are satisfied that these questions are all correct, then after submit button, right side you will find the log button. That is very important, mandatory also. You click on the log button. In that, after click on the log button, you cannot edit your online test. Okay, that is final. Okay, after locking, it will display the your score, final score. Here I got dummy marks. So number of questions whose answer is correct is 9. So I got 9 marks out of 30. So in this way you can attempt your online PISA CCT 6. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can call to your class teacher. If any technical problem is there, you can call to me. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.